Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to create a slider with a 3D cube effect. So let me show you a demo. This is how our slider looks, and when we drag to the right, we can see that it looks like a 3D cube. And you can place your own images in this slider, and you can have as many slides as you want. So we'll be using a library called swiper.js to create this. So let's get started. So this is the official website of swiper.js, swiper.js.com, and you can see a lot of information about this library over here. If you go to demos, you can see all the demos in swiper.js. First of all, we can see some basic slider, and then we have different types of sliders over here. The one we are going to be using is the 3D cube effect. So this is the effect that we are going to be using, but we are going to make some small changes in our CSS to make it look the way we want it to look. So let's go ahead and open the source code, and we'll also go to get started. So click on get started over here. Here you can find a guide on how to use this library. So the first thing you need to do is add the CSS and the JavaScript. So let's copy the CDN link from here. So let's copy the CSS. So I have opened this project in VS Code. This is a blank project. I just have a folder called images, and we have the 4 images that we're going to be using in our slider. So let's create a new file and call it index.html, and one more file called style.css. We are creating this slider for our Blogger website, but first of all we will write all our code in VS Code so that it will be easier for us. So in VS Code you can just type exclamation and press tab, and you'll get this basic HTML code, and we'll paste our CSS link over here, and we'll also link our style.css file. Now the next thing we want is the link of the script file, so we'll just copy this line of code from here and we'll paste it right here. Alright, we have added the swiper CSS and the swiper.js. Now let's go to the source code of our 3D cube effect. Now let's copy some things from here. The first thing we'll do is copy the styles. So we'll just copy from here and we'll paste it in our styles.css file. And then we'll also copy this HTML for the slider and paste it just after the body starts, and then copy and paste the initialized scripts from here. So these lines of code, and we'll paste it after importing our swiper min.js. Right now we have to update the URL of the images. So the first one is an image called 1.jpg. So we have to change this to 1.jpg. Now let's go ahead and view this in our browser and see whether everything is working alright. And we can see our first image is being displayed. Now let's add all our images. So the second image is called 2.jpg, the third one is 3.jpg, and the fourth one is 4.jpg. And we don't have a fifth image, so let's delete this from here. Alright, now let's go to our page and let's drag and see whether everything is working. So we can see that our 3D cube effect is working alright. Now let's go to our CSS and make some small changes. As we can see that the width is not so big, so we have to change the width and the height of our slider. So let's go to our CSS and we'll change the width to 600 pixels and the height to 400 pixels. And we'll also remove all this code from here. And we'll just add a margin of 24 pixels top and bottom, and 0 for left and right. And for the swiper slide, we will set a width of 100% of the parent. And we can see that our slider has the desired width and height. Now if you want to center this horizontally, then you can just change the margin to 24 pixels top and bottom. And for the left and right, we can just type auto. And we can see that our slider is centered. Alright, now let me show you how to copy this to your Blogger website. I have logged into my Blogger account. Now let's go ahead and create a new post. and we'll just give a title to our post. Now here we need to add the HTML. So let's copy this from here till here, and we'll paste it right here, and then just go ahead and click on publish. Alright, now let's add the JavaScript. So let's go to theme and then click on edit HTML, and we will scroll down to where the body ends. Now we'll copy our JavaScript just before the body ends. So let's copy these lines of code from here, and we'll paste it right here. And we also need to copy the CSS link of swiper.js. So let's go over here and copy this line of code, and go to the top of our template, and just after the title we will just paste this line of code, and then just click on save theme. Alright, our theme has been saved. Now let's go back to theme and then click on customize, and then click on advanced, and then go over here and click on add CSS, and here we will add our CSS. So let's go to style.css, and we'll copy this CSS from here and we'll paste it right here, and then click on apply to blog, and then we'll go back to blogger. Now let's go ahead and view our post and see whether we can see our slider, and we can see that the shadow is working alright, but we cannot see the images. The reason for that is that we don't have a folder called images in our Blogger website. So we have to first of all upload our images to Blogger. So let's go back to our post and click on edit. Now here, instead of images/1.jpg, we have to cut this and upload the image by clicking on this insert button, and let's choose some files. This is our project folder. Just go into images and select all these images and click on open. Let's click on the first image and click on add selected, and we'll choose the original size and click on OK. So the link of our image has been added. We'll just remove the anchor tag. So select everything from here till here, and we'll just remove the ending tag as well. Now here we can see the img tag also. So we don't want the img tag, we just want the source of the image. So we'll just keep the source. So just delete all this from here, and also delete everything else after the source. Now let's do the same with all the images. So just delete this, click on insert from blog, and select the second image, add selected, OK, and remove everything except the source. And do the same with the third and the fourth images as well. Alright, we are done with the images. Now let's click on update, and now let's go to posts and view our post, and we can see our 3D slider is working alright. So if we drag this, we can see all our images are working, and even the 3D effect is working perfectly. So that's basically how you create a 3D effect for your slider in a Blogger website. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll also leave the link of the source code in the description below. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.